Greetings to all of you. Myself Disha Grover. With the help of my team, we are here to going to perform a procedure on hot water application. Hot water application is a process of a warmer object than the skin. It is used in homes and hospitals as a therapeutic measures. The indication for hot water application is to relieve pain, to relieve menstrual pain, to reduce edema during hypothermia. The contradiction for the hot water application is during cancer. When somebody is having cancer, so we don't use this hot water application. During open wound, when we use hot water application in open wound, so it causes more injury. The articles required for hot water application is a tray containing the articles to provide the treatment, a hot water bag to provide care to the patient, a duster to clean the hot water bottle, a lotion or a cream if there is some complication, so we can use this, 2 jugs, one containing hot water and one containing cold water, a thermometer. A lotion thermometer is used to check the temperature of a water, kidney tray to discard the waste. So these are the articles required for hot water bottle. We are going to perform pre-procedure. So here is my core team members for performing the pre-procedure.
Hand washing is also known as hand hygiene. It is used to prevent our hands from microorganisms and the bacteria. Now steps of hand washing are: open the tap, apply soap on your hands, rub palm to palm, then interlacing in dorsal manner, interlocking with palm to palm, then knuckling, rub your fingertips with palm, then thumb in rotatory motion, then clean your wrist, then rinse your hands under water from up to down. Now dry your hands with towel. Now close the tap with alcohol.
Step is to provide skin screening to the patient. So now we are providing food screening.
Greetings to the patient. Myself Sahil. I am here to perform hot application as prescribed by the doctor. Can I proceed?
So here we provide the position to the patient as prescribed by doctor or physician. So we provide front position to the patient.
Now we are moving toward during procedure. So here is Muskan for during procedure.
So now we will start our procedure. As you can see, we have provided the patient the prone position because the patient was having the back pain. Now we will start our procedure. So first of all, we will take 2 bowls containing cold water and hot water. We have to mix this water in an empty bowl. So we will take another bowl to mix the water. So this is the hot water and this is the cold water. As now we have mixed the water, so now we will check the temperature with the use of thermometer. The temperature of this water should be 120 to 149 degree Fahrenheit. After that, checking. So now we will check the temperature of the mixed water. The temperature of the water should be between 120 to 149 degree Fahrenheit. After checking the temperature, we have to take our hot water bottle and open the cork of the water bottle, and we have to pour some water in the hot water bottle. After that, close the cork of the bottle and move it up and down so that the temperature inside the hot water bottle is maintained. We have to do this to make sure the environment in the hot water bottle is maintained. So now open the cork of the water bottle again and discard that water into the kidney tray. After discarding the bottle, pour 2/3 of the water into the water bottle. And place it on a flat surface and expel the air out. After that, close the cork of the water bottle again. We will check if there is any leakage in the hot water bottle by moving it up and down. If there is leakage in the hot water bottle, we should change it possibly at that moment. After that, clean the bag with the duster. Now we will wrap the hot water bottle with the towel to make sure there is no loss of heat and the hot water bottle doesn't get in the direct contact with the patient's skin. So now we will put that water bottle on the prescribed area by the physician for 20 to 25 minutes.
Now we are moving toward after procedure.
After procedure, again take a hand washing. Then replace the articles in the treatment room.
The next step is assessment. Assess the patient. Observe erectness from the patient. If any complication occurs, apply Vaseline.
The last step of procedure is documentation. Record a report. Write the name of procedure, date, time, and effectiveness as told by the patient.
So this is all about our procedure. Thank you.